You've seen it on the news, time and time again.
Large water main break.
Part of North 20th Street in Tampa is shut down.
Several water main breaks have happened over the weekend.
There are more than a dozen breaks across Tampa.
On any given day in the city of Tampa, we face multiple water main breaks. Since July 2017, there have been nearly 2,500 water main breaks, and that number continues to grow daily. In 2018 alone, there were 1,201 water main breaks. In addition, there have been nearly 1,000 wastewater cave-ins since July 2017. Water main breaks and wastewater cave-ins occur due to aging pipes. Some of the city's pipelines are reaching 100 years old. Each break can disrupt your daily life with traffic delays due to road closures, health and safety issues, and even property damage. Every year, the city of Tampa spends over $20 million repairing broken pipes. As these burdens and costs continue to grow, the plan for replacement and rehabilitation becomes a necessity. That's why the city of Tampa is planning ahead for our future. With pipes, we are investing in Tampa's tomorrow by taking a proactive approach to renew our infrastructure, prevent breakdowns, and provide long-term permanent fixes to our water and wastewater systems. Our 20-year plan will replace aging water pipes and rehabilitate failing sewer pipes in phases throughout each district and ensure sustainability for generations to come. City of Tampa customers have enjoyed very low utility rates for many years, approximately half of the average bill in the Tampa Bay area. However, lower rates mean that we have not been able to take a more sustainable and proactive approach to properly invest in our water and wastewater system. The longer we wait to remedy our aging pipelines, the more expensive it will become. We expect to spend $3.2 billion over the next 20 years of this critical project that will benefit everyone. Pipes, investing in Tampa's tomorrow. To learn more, visit tampagov.net/pipes.